First of all, I want to thank everyone who's put in so much effort on this, but especially committee staff, Lisa Gazelter and Lisa. They have done amazing work.
And Hannah Lai
And
in Legislative Council.
yes, and
Hannah Lai's work was really only beginning.
yes, and we can't do anything without them, really. I mean, so I want to make sure that they're recognized in their efforts. One of the things I want to see, I'll go reverse on my list. So as it relates to revenue, I think we all need to keep in mind that there's a relationship to the revenue, and then that revenue being dedicated, and then that revenue being eaten up in 6 years, 3/4 of it by PERS and healthcare costs. So all the great and grand plans that we have will likely end up with the new revenue essentially funding PERS. If we don't address that, I know this committee's not going to address it, but legislature as a whole is. And so I just don't want us to lose sight of the necessity to do that. The other thing we heard on our statewide trip, really at every stop, was about choice. And I've been a big advocate for choice because both parents and the students and even staff want to be able to find their passion in education and pursue it. And I don't think we want to cut that off. And so, we haven't talked about, and I didn't necessarily see in our document, a commitment to make sure that all Oregon's public school students are going to receive the benefit of this. So, that means opening up the school improvement fund to ADMW dollars for charter schools. And then also keeping student choice as it relates to what schools they go to. So that means open enrollment. I don't wish to be vague. So I think those are critically important elements to the plan. And then school district transparency and about how that extra money gets spent. And, we have transparency in this building. We have Ways and Means process, and the public gets to go through all those dollars and all that. But what process is there at that district-wide level on the greatest spend that we have, which is on, teachers and benefits are the bulk of it. And we obviously want more teachers and, more educational assistants to lower class sizes. And so I think we're going to need to have that conversation as well. So I, with great respect, appreciate all the time and effort that's gone in thus far. And I think we have a lot of meetings and hours yet to come to finish this out in a way that I think is going to be what the people of Oregon expect from the legislature and from their, from their school districts. And so we stand ready to help.